Good morning. Our topic is all about ratio using either the colon or fraction. Learning task 1. Express each ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity and reduce to its simplest form. Number 1, 2 teachers to 46 pupils. So para ma-change natin ang ratio sa lowest term, hahanapin natin ang GCF ng 2 or 46 and 46. So what is the GCF of 2 and 46? So ang GCF ng 2 at 46 ay 2. I-divide natin yung 2 at 46 sa 2 para ma-change natin sa lowest term. So, the ratio of teachers to pupils in simplest form is 1 to 23. 2 divided by 2, 1. 46 divided by 2, 23. So, the answer is 1 to 23. Number 2, 21 garbage cans to 14 classrooms. So, what is the GCF of 21 and 14? The GCF is 7. So, i-divide natin yung 21 at 14 sa 7. So, the answer in simplest form is 3 to 2. 21 divided by 7, 3. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Number 3, 36 glasses of juice to 30 sandwiches. What is the GCF of 36 and 30? The GCF is equal to 6. So, i-divide natin yung 36 at 30 sa 6. So, the answer in simplest form is 6 to 5. 36 divided by 6, 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So, 6 to 5. Number 4, 12 flowers to 4 vases. What is the GCF of 12 and 4? So, 4 ang ating GCF. So, the ratio of flowers to vases in simplest form is 3 to 1. 12 divided by 4, 3. 4 divided by 4, 1. Learning task 2. Find the ratios of the time spent for the different activities. Reduce your answer to lowest term. May table tayo dito. Yung first column, ito yung AJ's daily activities o yung mga ginagawa niya sa araw-araw. Yung second column, yung number of hours o ilang oras ang ginugugol niya in each activity. Number 1, what is the ratio of sleeping to a whole day ni AJ? So, tignan natin sa table ilang oras ang ginugugol niya sa pagtulog. 8 hours. Ilang oras in a whole day? O sa isang araw, ilang oras meron? So, sa isang araw, merong 24 hours. So, 8 to 24, then change to lowest or simplest form. Ano ang GCF ng 8 at 24? Ang GCF noon ay 8. So, the answer is 1 over 3. 8 divided by 8, 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Yung first quantity, ito yung numerator, at second quantity, ito yung 3. So, kung ang sagot natin, kung ang sagot nyo ay 1 to 3, o colon form, it is also correct. So, ito yung other way of expressing ratio, fraction form. Number 2, studying to the time for recreation. Tignan natin sa table. Ilang oras ang ginugugol niya in studying? 3. How about for recreation? 2 hours. So the answer is 3/2 in fraction form. Kung ang sagot nyo ay colon form o 3/2, tama rin po ang inyong sagot. Number 3, school time to a whole day. So ang school time niya ay 8 hours. Tapos sa isang araw, meron tayong 24 hours. 8/24. Then change to simplest form. Divided by 8 is 1/3. So 8 divided by 8, 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Number 4, the ratio of time for other activities to the time for meals. So tignan natin dito sa table. Ang other activities ay 2 hours. Ang time for meals ay 2. So what is the GCF of 2? The GCF of 2 is 2. So the answer is 1/1. 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. If your answer is colon form or 1/1, tama rin po ang inyong sagot. Number 5, exercising to sleeping. So ilang oras ang ginugugol niya sa pag-exercise? 1 hour. Then sa pagtulog ay 8 hours. So the answer is 1/8 in fraction form. Kung ang sagot nyo ay 1/8 or colon form, tama rin po ang inyong sagot. Learning task 3. Write the following ratios to lowest terms. Number 1, 20 wins to 35 games. So ano ang GCF ng 20 at 35? Ang GCF ng 20 at 35 ay 5. So i-divide natin at yung 20 at 35 sa 5. So the answer is 4 to 7. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 35 divided by 5 is 7 in colon form. If your answer is in fraction form or 4/7, that is also correct. Number 2, 12 red balls to 96 blue balls. What is the GCF of 12 and 96? Ang GCF po noon ay 12. I-divide po natin ang 12 at 96 sa 12. The answer is 1 to 8. 12 divided by 12, 1. 96 divided by 12 is 8. If your answer is 1/8 or fraction form, it is also correct. 3, 250 cm to 20 cm. Ano ang GCF ng 250 at 20? Ang GCF po noon ay 10. So our answer is 25 to 2. 250 divided by 10 is 25. 20 divided by 10 is 2. If your answer is 25/2 or fraction form, it is also correct. Number 4, what is the ratio of the letter A to all the letters in the word mathematics? So, ilan ba yung letter A sa word na mathematics? So, meron tayong 2 A's o dalawang A. Ilan lahat yung word sa mathematics? O ilan yung letter sa word na mathematics? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 2 to 11. Or in fraction form, 2 over 11. Number 5, what is the ratio of Saturday and Sundays to the days in a week? So the answer is 2 to 7. Kasi yung Saturday and Sunday, 2 days po. Then, merong 7 days in a week. So yun po ay lowest term na. Kung ang sagot po natin ay 2 over 7 or fraction form, that is also correct. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga gagawin kong math tutorial. Hanggang dito na lamang po. Bye for now and God bless po. Salamat!